Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how you're wasting money on exact match keywords. Let's get into it. Many sellers assume exact match keywords are the safest and smartest way to run Amazon PPC campaigns. The logic makes sense. By being precise, ads only show up for the specific term entered. But in practice, this approach often leads to wasted spend and missed opportunities. One of the most common mistakes sellers make is chasing high-volume keywords with exact match targeting. For example, take the keyword markers. It has huge search volume, so a seller might set up an exact match campaign around it. The problem is that markers can mean many different things: washable markers, coloring markers, fabric markers, or crafting markers. Very few of those shoppers are actually looking for dry erase markers. This means that sellers pay for expensive clicks without connecting with the right audience. And in most cases, the top placements for high-volume keywords are dominated by big brands or Amazon's own products, which makes it even harder to compete profitably. The real value often lies in longer-tail keywords that better reflect buying intent. Variations such as dry erase markers fine tip, black dry erase markers with eraser, or green dry erase markers usually have lower competition and higher relevance. And the shoppers using those terms know exactly what they want, which means higher conversion potential. The challenge is that sellers relying solely on exact match won't reach these variations. Amazon's algorithm with phrase and broad match types, as well as auto campaigns, helps surface related search terms that sellers may never think of on their own. These campaign types often reveal profitable keywords hidden in the long tail. Data also supports this approach. On average, exact match makes up roughly a quarter of ad spend, while auto, phrase, and broad combined account for nearly 3/4. That balance allows for discovery and refinement. Exact match is valuable for locking in proven winners, but it should not be the sole strategy. Think of exact match like precision targeting. It works best once data already confirms a keyword is profitable. But if it's the only strategy, sellers risk missing countless opportunities where shoppers are searching with slightly different words or brand-related terms. A better strategy is to let auto, phrase, and broad campaigns run, collect data, and identify which keywords consistently perform. Negative keywords can be used to filter out irrelevant terms and control wasted spend. Once a keyword proves itself, moving it into exact match helps maintain control and consistency. This balanced approach provides both discovery and precision. Sellers avoid overspending on broad, irrelevant terms while still leaving room for the algorithm to uncover new profitable variations. Exact match then becomes a refinement tool instead of a starting point, helping maximize efficiency and scale campaigns more effectively. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.